it's Ilene here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm participating in the last week of the Rainbow Collaboration. This is hosted by Tammy, My World in OKC, Jody, Jody's Craft Room, and Sandra CraftyMom. Before I get started, I just want to ask you to please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. So you guys may have guessed by looking at my table now and what I got here that this week's color is blue. Also in my title, obviously. So I decided to go ahead and make some JULIENUTTING tags with blue. And I really love these. I really enjoy giving these out when I swap or send some sort of mail, and you could write a note on the back. I did put a stamp here, handmade just for you by, and I'll add my name when I'm ready. So this is my tag number 1, and I did do 3 layers. These 2 are together, so you'd only see it matted here on the top. And I lightly, I don't know if the camera could pick it up, but I lightly put some gold ink on the edge of that top layer. I gave her a jacket that matches the back, and her dress matches this layer on the bottom. And yeah, that's it for this tag. I gave her some gold shoes. I made her a tiny little face. Let me know what you guys think about the face. Do you like JULIENUTTING with or without the faces, these dolls? So that's my tag number 1. And then for my tag number 2 here, I just did her hair a different color, dark blue there, cute little blinged belt at her dress. I used this shiny blue paper that I got from Friends Mail. And yeah, I did her on up. I gave her some black shoes. And that's my tag, guys. Let me know what you think. Which one was your favorite? Alright guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the tags I created with the color blue. Please don't forget to check the other ladies out that participated by doing #JuneOKC. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye!